I'm facing me.
No, you're fine.
Woo!
I was like, you're going this way. I said, okay, I'll sneak this way, and then you went.
Now you're in it. Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the proven winners, different combinations, and we get to vote which one is your favorite. So I'm going to go through all the different combinations of these containers, and you can vote in comments which one your favorite is. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. It's number 7. Love that cobalt blue. This is number 8. And this is number 9 with the new petunia that you can get next year called Tiara Blue. This is number 10 with the pink cashmere and the new Tiara Pink petunia that you can get next year. This is number 11 with some of the impatiens. And this one's different for me. This is new.
Yes, so saves you on dirt, saves you on water.
This is number 12. This is the new saffron French that I did this past year.
Yeah, whenever you guys are done, I'll walk you off.
This is number 13 with a lot of the coleus, potato vine. Let's see. This is number 14. And the bees are really loving this one. This is, I think, the new Kufia that's coming out this coming year. That is a gorgeous plant, and I love these two combinations. The contrast together is gorgeous. This is number 15 with the lantana and the super bells. Ladybird Sunglow. Number 16 with more coleus and potato vine. There is some impatiens in there, but they're kind of hidden a little bit over there. Number 17, and then I had this gorgeous saffron finch that I actually loved this past year. And I had this verbena last year and really liked it. Number 17. This is number 18 with a little bit of a trellis and potato vine. Gorgeous. This is the slice appeal. I think it's the tangerine. It says there's saffron finch in there too, but do not see any. This is number 19 with the whiteout verbena. Let's see. There we go. And this is number 20. That's with the Bidens, I think. Goldilocks, rocks. So I'm with Miss Katie here.
Hi.
And we are going to vote on what container we like this year.
Yes.
So tell me, Katie, what's yours?
My favorite.
Which number?
I love purple.
Purples?
So I'm going to go with number 7 over there. I love the purple with the white with the royal magenta.
Okay.
Beautiful.
All right.
Stunning.
And my favorite is whatever this number is over here. 30, 31, 32, maybe 32.
32,
Number
yes,
32.
32.
When we get over here, we'll like look at it. But so it's gorgeous. I love being here, and I'm
Yes,
glad that we get to
beautiful day.
participate in this. It's beautiful. Thanks for having us.
coming. We love to have you
Thank
guys.
you. This is number 21 with the cashmere pink and the hoopla vivid orchid. Right there. Number 22 has a lot of potato vine in it. The Bermuda Beach. The potato vine kind of takes over on this one. Number 23 with the black potato vine. And I had this petunia last year. I think it's that Over Easy. Let's see. Yeah, Over Easy petunia. This is number 27. I think we skipped some numbers somehow, but this is a gorgeous combination too, with the amethyst verbena in there. So we kind of got out of order a little bit, but this is number 26. And I think that's the new petunia this year. This one's number 25. So if you like red in your garden, this is a good choice right there. This is number 37. And a lot of the verbena in there with that saffron finch right there is pretty. This color looks really pretty together with the yellows. It brings that out. Oh, this new scavolia in there too. I like that. Look at it over here. And the bees must love it too. You can see it's got that little insert too. So it must be on the aquapot insert there. So number 36 is actually my favorite that I was talking to Katie about, with this black potato vine, pink cashmere, and the jazzberry. And actually, I did a lot of these colors this past year, but I love this so much better than I did my potato vine. I love this accent. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. So it's kind of worn off a little bit. Number 36 is my favorite. Number 31 is the climbing container. Gorgeous. Let's see if we can find the names here. Number 30 has the white verbena and the yellow saffron finch there. Really pretty with that new hoopla orchid that we have, that I've got in my containers this past year. This is number 35 with the hoopla orchid. I think there's a different kind of white in there too, maybe. I love this verbena right here. And then lastly, this one's number 28. Like I said, I got out of sync somehow and just love this container as well. The yellows, the purples. This color's really, really pretty too. And that is the plant in this. All right, guys, I hope this was inspirational. Like all these containers, surely you can find something that you love. I have fallen in love with a lot of them, and I really do want to try some of these new petunias that are coming out next year. So I'm super, super excited. So make sure you put in comments and vote, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because it helps my channel so, so much. And I'm so glad that you got to choose with me and go on this journey with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.